I am so excited because I'm about to be trying this for the very first time. This is like a vacuum seal bag. It's 18 liters. It was sent for my review and it has a built-in pump. So I've used tons of vacuum seal bags because my husband and I travel a lot. We also like to use them for storing our clothing, but I've never used one that had a built-in pump. So this is just kind of an elastic to hold it together. And so let's go ahead and open this up. So at first glance, it just kind of looks like, you know, like it looks like an oversized, I was gonna say a shoe bag. It looked more rectangular. But okay, so you do have one of those really great bags in here. I just kind of have a handful of shirts that I'm going to throw in here. It does come with the plug to charge it because the pump does need to, I don't even know where that this pump would get charged. Maybe we open this up right here because of course yeah, okay, so this is where we are going to charge the pump. I'm hoping it has some charge because as I said, I literally just opened it. I was so excited. We're about to go on a 6-week trip and I'm an overpacker, so if this is gonna help me save some space. So basically it said, you know, I clearly have tons more room in here. This is a stack of what, like 5 t-shirts. So then you got a really great zipper right here. So we put our fingers, you wanna make sure that that is zipped up to the top and it is no holes. You can see you've got this really heavy duty zipper right here. I do like that you have this hook. You can kind of like hook this up and then let's go ahead and see. So I think there's that little button. I think we just push. It says press for 2 seconds. Let's see if it starts the pump. So let's watch it do its thing. Look at that go. Wow. Again, this is all automatic. I would probably, even with my own pump, I kind of like to use, you know, my hands to help it out. That is pretty impressive. I think that's really good. Again, it's not packed, let me turn that off. It's not packed full, right? So I feel like if it was super full, but we saw this live on camera, how quickly that went. If it were super full, obviously this would really suck it down quite small. You've got a handle like this. So once everything's in here, you can kind of grab this and go. I'm actually pretty impressed by this. It worked really well. Again, the fact that the pump is built in. I don't know about you. I have tons of vacuum bags. I'm always like, where did I put the pump? Now I'm never going to lose that pump. I think this is really awesome, really lightweight, easy to travel with, or again, just even store your clothing at home. This is awesome.